What's up, guys? It's your boy. No one sees back. Okay, let's start this game. No. Try to not to die. This is Bear Island. Oh, you saw that? Look at that. He died. Why? Backflip. Oh, I should have done the back. Oh. Oh, that could have hurt. Okay. No? Oh my gosh. It's like the hardest level. Okay, there we go. Okay. But if you fall down again, you have to restart the whole thing. Whoa, let's go. Backflip. Okay, let's go. No. Okay. Whoa, 14 seconds. Are you kidding me? 14 seconds. This game's too easy. Oh, that hurts. Ooh, that hurts. 8 seconds. Okay. Got to slow down. Oh, I got to slow down. These games. What? I was in a good start, not my bad start. Oh, I did that. Okay, there we go. Whoa! Oh, okay, I still won. Stage complete is 18 seconds. Oh, that's not bad. Oh, what? Good start. Oh. Come on. Let's go. Let's get it. Whew. Plus, if y'all want to download this game, this is Play Mayhem. Just put Climbing Hill Racing and then go down. You see this back in the boy, and then you'll see it. If you want to go right now, go to Play Store and type Hill Climbing Racing, and then when you see this bike and the boy, oh, guys, you gotta be kidding me. Woo! Oh, what? No. Oh my gosh. I keep on dying. Woo! Please, we have to get it. We have to get the mountain. Get the mountain. I have to get the mountain. Bruh. I'm not doing any good at all. Okay, guys. That's it for today. You can follow me on Musical.ly. Type No One Skitty's here, and you'll see a Lamborghini, green Lamborghini cartoon on it. And press that, you'll see all my Musical.lys. Bye. That's the only way you can find me. Peace out.